Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm down 5, but the issue is I didn't trade New York session. So what happened is I was trying to adjust the max trades and then I put it to 0, but apparently it doesn't go to 0. So I just switched to 1 and then I press save. So basically it just locked me out the entire time. So I couldn't trade I don't know why it does this. So I couldn't trade New York. I traded during London because I thought I was gonna be busy during New York, but I wasn't. So one sec, how many days? I don't know why my laptop keeps on lagging. Anyways, okay, it's recording. So I took this as a paper and this as a paper. I will explain it now. Just let it come back. This hit TP and then this was a break-even trade. I will explain it now. Just let this come back. I will also explain the London trade and yeah, just waiting for it to freaking stop lagging. I don't know why it keeps on lagging. By the way, it's a brand new laptop. It's not like it's old or anything. It's an M5 MacBook Air. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure why this happens. It happens so much. Like it happens so many times. Yeah. Okay, just a bit. I will come back. So I'm back. Okay, so this was the first trade during London. God, I really hope it doesn't lag again. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay, so let me clear this. So this was the London trade. It was okay. It was here. No, it wasn't this one. Wait. Where is it? Oh, yeah. Okay. Where is open? Yeah, it was here. Okay, so yeah, it was this. Okay, so let me just go back, start new. Let me just do this. Okay, so what we have is we swept this high over here, and then after sweeping that high, actually no, we didn't sweep the high. Wait one sec, I'm confused. Wait. No, we didn't. My bad. So we had this high over here, and then it swept the high, but yeah, so this high. It swept my bad. It swept this high. It swept this high, and then so this is it. Then we come up. Wait, is it this? Wait, I'm confused. Yeah, yeah, it is. So it sweeps this high, and then we inverse this candle, and then we just like sorry going to the downside. We come back up. We get this inverse. I entered. I was targeting London Open, which is here. Unfortunately, I got stopped at a break even, and then this was the only trade that I took. So it was here. My stop was above this high, targeting 1 to 1. We were moving good, but then I got stopped at break even, which is unfortunate. And then that is the trade that I took, which basically locked my account. And then the two trades that I took, paper trades. So this was the first trade over here. So I will explain it right now. So we had either like my draws were either, let me do it again. Wait. Okay, so my draws were either previous day high or London low, and basically like the equilibrium of the previous day. So the first trade was, we had this high over here, and we had previous day high. So we manipulated the, yeah, we manipulated the downside, and then we go back up. Like basically, it was a bit of manipulation, but like still, we go to the upside, then we come down, then we respect here. So I was like, you know what? Although it's a very very deep retracement and it's barely respected, um, it's still good. And then we inverse this for a value gap over here, and then we just trace to the upside, and then we fail to get those high, which I was expecting, but then we respect this for a value gap over here, and then my entry was over here. So my entry was over here. As I was targeting 1-to-1, my stop was over here, targeting a 1-to-1. Was it? Yeah, this wasn't quite 1-to-1, but it's still it was 1.3 or something like this, but then I moved to 1-to-1 after the screenshot. And then I went to break even over here at this high, and then I got stopped to break even. Basically, like if this was the trade that I took, that's what I would have done. Okay, and then after achieving this high, we just go to the downside, and then we start consolidating for a bit. And then I was like, you know what, since we tapped into this 5-minute over here and we started going to the downside, I was like, there is like a small chance that we come back up, especially that we tapped into the 5 minutes. So my entry was it here? Wait 1 sec. Okay, it was on this candle over here. It was this candle. My stop was above those highs, because this is in my eyes a protected high, and then I was targeting a 1-to-1. It was something like this, and then it was a 1-to-1 towards London low, and then it hit. Basically those were the trades that I would have taken if I was trading New York, but unfortunately I wasn't, which is fine. It happens. I mean, listen, if I traded, you don't know what could have happened. I could have just could have lost. I could have taken a different trade, but it's whatever. But those are the trades that I took, and here's a screenshot of it, and here's the time, the exact time, just so you guys don't think I'm lying. And I was out. I wasn't home. So yeah, those were the trades, and yeah, I'll show you the executions over here. As you guys can see, London open, midnight open. It's just unfortunate. I've also been reviewing my trades on FX Replay, because I'm not gonna lie, I feel a bit shit with what's happening, with what happened last week and this week, but hopefully it will be better. This is a trade, basically not trade recap, this is just a day recap, and then hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Ciao.